So the last day has been bizarre. What a weird turn of events is happening right now. So yesterday's video, I put the word hiccups in the title. Because, half the videos I make, I just put in whatever I'm thinking about as the title, since, it's not like I'm looking to get thousands of views from people. I often don't really care what the title is, because people are either going to watch it or they're not going to watch it if I don't have anything really important to talk about. And yesterday I didn't have anything important to talk about. But I put the word hiccups in the title. And then within about 2 hours, I had like 30 views. And if you scroll down my page, the majority of my videos in the last 3 months have had maybe 5 views tops every day. And I was like, well, that's kind of weird. I didn't say anything that interesting, but I snarked a little bit in the description of the video because I had said something else, but I changed it to something sarcastic about how everyone was expecting me to be hiccuping in the video, which I was definitely not doing. I was hiccuping while I was editing the video. And then today, there were 90 some views on that video. And right now, there are 136 views on that video. And I gained 1 subscriber. No spam comments, no regular comments, no likes on the video. 1 subscriber. I click on his name. Apparently, somebody really likes videos from various channels that have the word hiccup in the title. Okay, my life is weird. Whatever.